Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Like last time I was filming, my throat is plucked up. I always happen to get sick when my dolls are arriving. Anyway, let's get right into it. I'm joined today by Esther and Madeline. We're just gonna be chilling in the background. So let's get into it. I have a package here. Smartdoll. I'm really excited. Daddy, why are you doing this to me? Please stop. Just when I got my package, I checked the Smartdoll site and I saw he had restocked Genesis, but with freckles. I've always wanted Genesis, so I'm thinking she might be coming home next. I'm gonna start opening this up. So this, I forgot to tell you guys, but this is a challenge and I've always loved her. And yeah. Let's go guys, let's go. I always get as excited every time. Let's start with the accessories because this time I actually bought something. I'm gonna put her down now. And this is on the Evolve frame. Both my other girls are on the other frame, and this is the new frame. Hey guys, so some things have changed, like the stand. Here's our stand. I'm excited. Here is Challenge's wig. The purple, this color is so gorgeous. The care guide. Super cute picture. So nice. And then I have a medium chest. Which I wanted because I have 3 cinnamon girls now, so it would be nice to switch them out. I'm gonna take her out with the new underwear. She is so pretty. She's adorable. She has brown eyes. So this is Challenge, you guys. Isn't she gorgeous? I actually met my plan for this was making Challenge Esther's sister, but we'll see what happens. So what's different about the Evolve frame is obviously the joints are a bit different. They click into place in another way. I really like how this feels actually. It's very different. What's also different is the head caps are orange, all of them, and then the stand thingy is differently shaped than the old ones, and then you have the new underwear with the orange. But this is Challenge, you guys. Isn't she cute? So I'm actually gonna put the larger chest on her. I was thinking maybe leaving it for Esther later, but my plan is to maybe make this Esther's older sister. I'm gonna change her chest out first. This is interesting. It looks so different. Get her little head off. This feels so different. And the frame looks completely different. That's nice. It looks so sturdy in comparison to the old. Let's look at other chest on. That looks really pretty. I'm so excited, you guys. It's so fun to have a little frame. Just seeing the difference. She looks so nice with this chest though. And this is what she looks like. And you can compare it to Esther. Quite a big difference. I'm gonna get her wig out. So this is her, you guys. The profile is so pretty. I love it. She looks adorable. I'm so happy about this. She looks so cute. So this is a challenge, you guys, and as usual, I will post on Instagram when I have a name for her, whether I should make her Esther's older sister or cousin. I'm not sure yet, but I'll keep you guys posted. I'm just gonna dress her quickly and then I'll show you guys. So guys, this is what I ended up doing with her for now. I'm in the process of making new clothes, so we'll see what she will end up with. I'll show you guys on Instagram, but yeah, here she is. Okay, challenge. I love her so much. She's so stunning. I love the purple hair with her eyes. I just think it looks so pretty. So I'll keep you guys posted. But I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.